last important high-end heavy truck series of FAW, JH6 dump truck can be customized to meet different needs of both on-road and off-road transportation. With its excellent overall performance and a wide range of products based on 6x4 and 8x4 configurations. Except for the imposing appearance of the cab of FAW JH6 dump truck, its overall performance is more in line with the working environment. The JH6 dump offers outstanding passing ability due to its ground clearance under bumper and other key components. Equipped with a 460 horsepower weight-shy engine, it can make strong output torque at low speeds. The 12-speed fast MT gearbox is reliable and durable. A synchronizer helps driver change gears easier and accelerate faster. The first gear ratio is 15.53, so that ensure an easy start on steep slopes under heavy load. The sturdy chassis is dependent on the high-strength double-layer frame, which is produced by a 15,000-ton roller press and is tough enough to handle rough terrain. A 3-layer frame is available. The front axle of this FAW JH6 dump truck adopts a 9-ton axle and a 16-ton hop reduction axle. The inner wheel and interaxial differential lock improved maneuverability of dump truck on wet or slurry terrain. Customize the dump truck front axle with steering angle of 47 degrees. With 17 FPA large bore steering gear, can make it flexible in complex environments. The front axle is equipped with anti-roll bar to enhance stability on harsh roads. Meanwhile, the rear suspension adopts the double-bar V-shaped arrangement innovatively designed by FAW and ZF's thrust rod. It is strong in anti-roll ability and easy to be disassembled and maintained. The first-class hydraulic lifting system is reliable and durable, with fast lifting speed and high discharging efficiency. Multiple specifications are available from 5.4 meters to 6.2 meters. Powerful engine, tough and reliable chassis, comfortable driving, and complete product line. FAW JH6 dump truck is the right choice for construction and mining transportation.